Okay, so you have very wisely chosen to use the Divi theme to build your new websites. Very smart move on your part. My name is Wolf Bishop at wptophat.host, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Divi theme. In subsequent videos we're going to show you how to build your website from the ground up using this amazing theme. So keep on watching, subscribe below so that you can see the future videos. So let's go ahead and get started with this first video. Okay, so when you are logged into your WP admin dashboard, you're going to navigate to Appearance and then Themes. Then you're going to click on Add New. Now this video assumes you have already downloaded the Divi theme from the Elegant Themes website. If you have not, please go do so now. You'll need to log into your Elegant Themes account to do this. Click on Upload Theme. Choose File. Find your Divi theme. Click Install Now and wait for the theme to finish uploading. Now that the theme has fully installed, we need to activate it. Click on Activate. So Divi is now installed and technically ready to use. However, if you want to be able to get automatic updates and have access to Elegant Themes support, you need to activate your Divi license. To do this, go to the new Divi menu option that you'll see, go to Theme Options, then click on the Updates tab. Here you will enter in your username and your API key. This can be found within your Elegant Themes account under My Account API Keys. Paste your API key in here and click Save Changes. When you see the green check mark, that means your site is now ready to go and you can now build your site with Divi. In the next video, we're going to do some quick walkthroughs of the most prominent and greatest features of the Divi theme. We're not going to go through everything in that video, but we're going to cover some of the basics. And as we progress through this series, we will put more and more and more in there. So that's it. If you like this video, remember to like it and hit the subscribe button below. And please also consider supporting us on Patreon at patreon.com/WPTopHat. Where if as a patron you can get a lot of really great features. We're giving away WordCamp tickets, we're going to give away Divi extensions and child themes, live streaming events, all that good stuff. So definitely you want to go over there to our site or to our Patreon page and subscribe to us.